Hi friends, today I'm going to show you some of the very quick shortcuts in Excel so that you will be able to manage your work very efficiently. In Excel, um, alignment is very important for any kind of documentation to be presented in front of the management or any other people. So for alignment, I have taken short data so that we can present it in a nice manner. So I have taken 10 um, rows over here so that we can do this alignment. So let's say first we will select first shortcut, that is Control A. I'm selecting all the data over here. I'm going to next shortcut, that is Alt H O I. Alt H O I. So this shortcut will align the columns to their width. Next, I have to align the width of the rows. So I'll be selecting Alt H O A. So this will give me a proper alignment for the rows also. So next is text in middle. So for that I will be selecting the shortcut Alt HAC. Alt HAC. So all the data is coming in the center. Now it is looking good. So we need to draw borders for this table now. So for that we are going to use the next shortcut, that is Alt HBA. Alt HBA. So you can see that all the columns and rows have got the borders now. So what I will be doing, I will be setting a bold for this top row, and I will be selecting a color for this one. So here we are with our shortcuts, and the last shortcut and a bonus shortcut is Alt HOR. Alt HOR. What will this do? This I can change the sheet name. So I'll put it as TRAINING. So this is the training data for me. So I'll just put training over here. Okay. Let's say what all we have learned today. That is okay. First one is so Alt, that is Control A for select all. Alt HOI for automatic column width. Alt HOA for automatic row width. Alt HAC all texts in middle. Alt HBA all border. Alt HOR for sheet name change, and Control B for bold of that top row. So this is what makes our work very easy. Thank you all.